Now, let's talk about technology. People in sinoonang panahon, they dominated by technology and media with unprecedented access to information, quick advance in technology, and the capacity to cooperate and make individual contributions. They are getting addicted to social media without even realizing that it can lead to psychological and physical issues, and the overuse of technology may have a more significant impact on developing children and teenagers. But technology also has a lot of positive. With the help of technology, we can make our works easier, especially our homework and activities in school, where technology becomes part of the learning resources. Amidst the circuits of innovations, let faith be the compass guiding our humanity. This next video is for entertainment purposes only.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. And now, akong buhaton karon is manguhatag bulak. Dili kay ihatag ni mama. Ihatag nato sa simbahan. And floors ni Bayo man.
Oh my God! Wow!
Let's go! Nawan niyang panahon. Diba guwapa? Murag siya.
Ako'y kinikilig, bakit kayo malapit ako'y nanginginig.
Suda man na yung pangitao ning bulak no? Murag bayi, lisod sabton.
Hindi mo maintindihan.
Dali, istoryahon, pero dugay kayo pangitaon. Asa na ang bulak? Wa kay makita ang bulak niya, guys. Pwede pa lang saging atong ibutang sa simbahan at na lang ikuha ng saging diha. Nagtawa ba? Sige ko, ipiya ba sa motor kay kayo masyag musakay ko. Ano mo kung musakay? May bulak o mukhaon kong mangga.
2,000 years later.
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo?
Kita magkahoy. So, nagkuha na tag bulak guys. Nakita na ko. Wow! Kasi ang paon, kaning mangga, takong atubangan. Ah! Banay ko guys, nga mga bulak parang murag ako. Aning balion kay murag wala pa tag iya. Masala ko na hapon niya kay mo ato man tag tourist mayo. Wala ni hapon mo. Hapit ako kaslor.
3 weeks later.